This video is about simulation theory, which states that our world is like a dream or it's like a video game in which everything looks real. It may sound strange to hear, but after watching this video, you will also believe in it. This universe is not real, it just depends on whether we can create a world inside a computer in which everything looks as real as our world. There should be human beings who can feel, think with their own minds. They have their own thoughts. But is it really possible? At the moment, we are able to create such video games in which everything seems real. Inside these video games there is everything like trees, mountains, rivers, all kinds of creatures, animals, and human beings. Even the whole cities. These days, video games have become so advanced that all things that appear in them have started to look so real if they are in reality. But what does it really look like and what really happens? There's a big difference between the two things. In the real world we can lift a stone and feel its weight, enjoy the scent of flowers. And with the help of a microscope, you can examine anything up to the atomic level. But can we do all this in a video game? Video games are present right now, things appear in all of them just seem to be real from above but they are not in reality. Now the question is, can we create a game in a computer or a whole world in which everything is as real as it is in our real world? Our scientists have mastered the simulation technique so much that they can make a perfect copy of a human being that contains all the information, such as all the organs of the body, the DNA, and all the cells. Today we can create a simulation of anything that we are really aware of. Let alone the smallest things. Germany simulated the entire universe inside a supercomputer. This supercomputer was powered by 16,000 processors and was 15,000 times faster than a normal computer. However, this universe was not as real as our, because we don't really have a complete knowledge of our universe, nor were we trying to do so. This shows that we can create everything inside the computer that is in our real world and they will look as real as we feel in the real world. But in this simulated world, can a person realize his own existence? Can he lift a stone and feel its weight? When we lift a stone, we feel the weight in it. The reason for this is the gravity of the Earth. There are natural laws for energy, force, speed, and gravity. If we apply all these rules to the world created in the computer, then we will be able to lift the stone and feel the weight in it. As we see that no human being inside a video game can cross the walls, this rule is implemented by the developer of that game. Similarly, we can apply all the laws of nature to a computer-made world. Nothing in our world can move faster than the speed of light. We can also apply this rule to our simulated universe. But will the people of that world be able to feel their own existence like us? This is possible only when the people of this world also have their own minds and they'll be able to think like us. But in reality, we haven't made that much progress yet. At the moment, we are working on the development of artificial intelligence, and scientists believe that artificial intelligence will overtake humans by 2050. After that, even a robot will be able to think like humans. He will have his own mind, his own thinking. That is, there will not be much difference between a human and a robot. Robots will have a human identity. If that really happens, we will be able to put a human-like mind inside the people of the computer-made world. It's been almost 300 years since the invention of the steam engine. But within these 300 years, we are able to build bullet trains, airplanes, and rockets. Earlier the speed of the computer was doubling every 2 years, but the scientists created such a quantum computer that can do so many events in just 200 seconds that the common computer will do in billions of years. These computers are much faster than humans. Seeing the speed at which we are moving forward, it seems that with the help of quantum computers and artificial intelligence, we will create a world that is as real as our real world. At the moment, Elon Musk and Bill Gates are investing billions of rupees on simulation technology, and we have also had great success in this field. This technology is being used in medical science, space science, and even in the construction of cities. With this technique we can know how a virus can enter our body and make us sick. The pilot can be trained. But after 100 years, there will be a lot of companies that have made their different kinds of universe. And in these universes, along with all our things, there will be things that are not there in our world. At the moment Elon Musk's company Neuralink is working on something with the help of which our brains will be connected to the computer. With the help of this we will be able to upload our brains to the computer and we will be able to go to an online world where it will be all that is in our real world. But most people may be thinking that we can create everything, but we cannot create the soul of a human being. In fact, such people don't know what a soul is and how it works. On this topic, I will come up with a video in which everything will be cleared. In the future, we will be creating robots that will be able to think for themselves, have their own brains, and they will be able to recognize their existence. So will such a robot have souls too? All these things prove that in the future we will be able to create a world in which there will be all kinds of creatures, human beings, and other species. And in that world, people will be born and there will be death. This artificial world will work just like our real world. But in order to create the simulation of anything, we need to know how exactly that thing is made and how does it work? Otherwise, we will not be able to create a 100% perfect simulation of our world. With this technology, we will be able to do something that you will be very surprised to know. With this technology, we will also be able to do some amazing experiments in our world. As Elon Musk said, if we had a nuclear explosion on Mars, life could be possible again there. But even if we really do that, we're not sure it will happen. But in the artificial world created in the computer, we can see by doing this. If it works out well, we can actually do the same experiment in real world too. Today our engineers are planning cities with the technology of simulation. Like how the roads should be, what kind of building should be built. With this technology, we will design cities in computers. If we like them, then that's what we'll build in our real world. Knowing all this makes us feel that our world is not real, but it is also the product of some simulation technique of advanced civilization of another planets. If we humans can simulate our world, then maybe our world has also been made into an advanced computer by the aliens of another civilization. Today, we have come to know that there are billions of stars in this universe, and there are even more planets than that. So there is a strong possibility of advanced alien civilization. If this is true, then aliens of a planet can be advanced enough to make a world like ours into a big computer. If we are living in a simulated universe, there must be some creator to create us and the one who made his world, too. Thus, this series will be unlimited and there will be innumerable universes. If the world had been created on its own, there would be no rules in it. No one can walk faster than the speed of light. Who created this limit? More than the possibility of the universe had been created on its own, it is likely that someone created this universe. Yet, the question that arises in the minds of the people is that if someone created this universe, then who created the creator of this universe? To know this question, we have to find out what is the smallest unit in the world. If we zoom in on anything, we have discovered that the smallest unit of anything is atom, and there are also a lot of subatomic particles inside the atom. Very soon we will find out what atom's smallest unit is, making it the whole world. As we know, it is the smallest and last unit in the world. Yet if an idiot asks, what is this last and smallest unit made of? So that question would be stupid. Similarly, there will be many creators who made up this world, and there will be a final creator in the last, which we can call superpower or God. There are a lot of possibilities in science, and our scientists have given a lot of theories of universe. And among them, the Big Bang Theory is the most popular, which most people also believe in. Simulation theory is not very old, but it is becoming popular very fast. The day we will be able to create robots that think like us with the help of artificial intelligence. On that day, we will be able to think that an advanced alien can make us humans too. Thus, there could be the human being who created the robot and the alien that made the human being and someone else who made the aliens, and in the end there would be a super creator that we could call God. In Hinduism, Lord Krishna had said that this world is not real, but it is a matrix. At this time, many scientists in the world are also believing in this. Elon Musk and Bill Gates also believe in this. What do you think about this? Please let us know by commenting and give your opinion. Let's hope you liked this information of simulation theory. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.